Rabindranath Tagore, 1861 to 1941, was a towering figure in Indian literature and culture, revered for his profound contributions as a poet, writer, philosopher, and polymath. His works and ideas have left an indelible mark on the world, earning him the title Gurudev, respected teacher. Early life and literary journey. Born in Calcutta, now Kolkata, into a prominent Bengali family, Tagore's early exposure to literature and the arts set the stage for his remarkable career. By the age of 8, he was writing poetry, and his first collection was published when he was just 16. His literary genius blossomed over the years, culminating in a body of work that includes over 2,000 poems, songs, plays, and essays. Nobel laureate. In 1913, Tagore became the first non-European to win the Nobel Prize in Literature for his collection of poems, Gitanjali, Song Offerings. The profound spiritual and lyrical quality of his work captivated readers worldwide, establishing him as a global literary icon. The Bengal Renaissance. Tagore was a pivotal figure in the Bengal Renaissance, a cultural and literary movement that sought to revive and reform Bengali society. Through his writings and initiatives, he played a crucial role in promoting cultural and intellectual awakening in India. National Anthem. One of Tagore's most enduring legacies is his composition, Jana Gana Mana, which was adopted as India's national anthem. The song embodies the spirit of unity and pride in the diverse and rich cultural heritage of India. Universal appeal. Tagore's works have transcended linguistic and cultural boundaries, being translated into over 50 languages. His universal themes of love, nature, and spirituality continue to resonate with readers around the world. Philosopher and educator. In 1921, Tagore founded Visvabharati University in Santiniketan, West Bengal. His vision for the university was to promote education and cultural exchange, blending the best of Eastern and Western traditions. Visvabharati remains a center of learning and cultural preservation. Music and art. Tagore was also a skilled musician and painter. His compositions, known as Rabindra Sangeet, are an integral part of Bengali culture. His paintings, marked by their bold and unconventional style, have been exhibited globally. Social reformer. A strong advocate for social justice, Tagore championed women's rights, education, and the upliftment of marginalized communities. His progressive views on these issues were ahead of his time and continue to inspire social reformers. Influence on Gandhi. Tagore's ideas and writings significantly influenced Mahatma Gandhi's philosophy of nonviolent resistance. The two leaders shared a deep mutual respect and collaborated on several initiatives for India's independence and social progress. Legacy. Rabindranath Tagore's legacy is vast and multifaceted. His works continue to inspire generations of writers, poets, and thinkers worldwide. As a true Renaissance man, Tagore's contributions to literature, art, education, and social reform have made him an eternal beacon of wisdom and creativity. Conclusion. Rabindranath Tagore's life and work embody the essence of humanistic and creative excellence. His timeless contributions have not only shaped Indian culture but have also enriched global literary and artistic heritage, making him a revered figure worldwide. As we reflect on his legacy, we are reminded of the power of creativity, compassion, and cultural exchange in building a more enlightened and harmonious world.